Hi everyone. All around the world, people are talking about the new normal. We know it can be a challenge, but I'm grateful I have the tools to adapt to the times and focus on what's important to me. Being home means I decide when to speed up for work and when to slow down for some me time. Tab S7 makes that possible. It's the ultimate productivity device that gives me the power to optimize my personal time. It's perfect for me and for anyone else who wants to work and play more efficiently. Tab S7 comes in two sizes, an 11-inch model and the larger 12.4-inch Tab S7 Plus. The Tab S7 Plus has the largest Super AMOLED on a tablet today. And remember that ultra-smooth 120Hz display? We're bringing it to tablets for the first time. Tab S7 has the most advanced display among tablets, offering brighter, crisper images than ever before. When it comes to design, our goal was to combine portability and style. Despite the full metal design, it's very lightweight. Look at it from the side. Impressive, right? In fact, the Tab S7 Plus is the slimmest tablet of its size on the market. It's incredibly thin, light, and durable. The Tab S7 and S7 Plus come in 3 new color options, including, you guessed it, this year's signature, Mystic Bronze. You might be thinking, looks great. Now where's the S Pen? Here it is. Convenient, right? We also built a better keyboard that's going to raise your productivity game. Now let's see what this tab can do. We know a lot of people are juggling work and home life these days, so being able to multitask has become essential. We've had multi-window on our tablets for years, offering a split-screen experience. And now, we're letting you run up to 3 apps simultaneously. This means, while drawing or taking notes, you can watch videos on YouTube and chat with friends all at the same time. And of course, we continue to give Galaxy users ad-free access to YouTube Premium. Now let's get back to the S Pen. This feels like a real pen and writes like one too. Combining the new S Pen with the new 120Hz display, we were able to significantly reduce latency. It's the biggest leap in S Pen responsiveness yet. A complete S Pen makeover that feels smooth and natural. The book cover keyboard is the most versatile keyboard for both work and play. It's going to raise your productivity game like never before. It clicks into place securely, and when you're not typing away, you can use it as a stand to watch your favorite Netflix shows and adjust it to a range of angles for more flexibility. What I really love about the keyboard are the touchpad and shortcuts. The touchpad is now larger and supports multi-finger gestures, so it's easier to control your screen. And it has shortcuts, like on a full-size keyboard, bringing a Windows PC experience to an Android tablet. All these innovations start by listening carefully to you, or users. So let's take a moment to hear from one of our Samsung members.
Hey everybody, my name is Chris and I'm from the United States. What I love most about the S Pen is that when paired with Galaxy, the possibilities of creation are endless. I really want to know if Samsung has plans to add more cool features to the S Pen.
That's a great question, and one we've heard a lot. More than 1 million apps are optimized for Android tablets, and we're seeing increased demand for more S Pen compatible apps as well. Here's the good news. Tab S7 now comes preloaded with 3 great apps: Note Shelf, which is great for note-taking, Canva for designing, and Clip Studio Paint for drawing. Clip Studio Paint is coming to Android for the first time on Tab S7, and we're super excited for you to try it out.
Nope.
We also enhanced our Samsung Notes app to let you do even more with the S Pen. Let's bring Mary back to talk about that. Hi, Mary.
Hey, Adrian. As you know, Samsung Notes is the original app that was created to work with the S Pen for the Note series. It's been there from the very beginning, and we've been improving it for every generation of the Note since. Why don't we show them?
Sure. Let's start with something simple and then build up. I have the Samsung Notes app open here. I'll pull up a PDF. It's a bit hard to read that. Here, let me straighten it out.
Oh, that was Korean.
Yeah, I've been taking classes. The Samsung Notes app has been great for me because I can type my notes and write directly on them with the S Pen. I can also use voice recording, so I can remember exactly what my teacher was saying as I was taking notes. And you know what's really cool?
Show us.
It syncs as I type and write on the screen. So if I hit play, you will see my notes syncing with the audio. And if I tap on a specific part of the note, the recording jumps to that audio bookmark. Here, let me show you.
We'll walk through the steps together. As most of you probably know, this is a common greeting in Korea. I'll be at your office on Wednesday at 10 a.m.
Cool, right?
That is really cool. And everything Adrian just showed us also works on the Note 20. It's incredibly convenient that the app works through the cloud, and you can open and edit all your notes on any Galaxy device, phone, tablet, or PC.
And this is not just for notes. You can sync your devices so you never miss a call or text, no matter what device you're using or how far away you are from your phone. This is the value of the Galaxy ecosystem. You can create a continuous workspace wherever you go for maximum convenience and productivity.